Hi there everybody, listening to Universe. I hope everything is fine. I'm a Russian and who brings value to my own experience. And we are on the station, you maybe remember it. It is the Podolsk station and we are waiting for our train. It will go after 7 minutes on my invisible clock's watches. Yes, and we have the time to talk with you. Where do I go today? Today I go to my university because we have the lessons, actually lectures, not mine, but mine scientific, I don't know, scientific ruler, scientific manager, scientific person who has the PhD, and actually I should visit her lectures because it is the plan of the practice that I need to kind of close, because I have an academic debt in terms of the visiting some lectures, in terms of visiting some practices, laboratory works and things of this nature, and I need to accomplish it. Oh, some people are watching us. Yes, we can wave to them. And yes, and okay, and I need to kind of solve these things and everything will be fine. And actually one interesting kind of case, trouble we can call it, I will call it case, situation, that I did not communicate with my scientific managers a lot. I actually communicated with her only when I got my theme topic of the master's degree work, because I do this by my own. I wrote even to her that I will do this by my own. I don't need help, not like, no, I know you need help, no need to help me, or something. No, not this way. I wrote kind of, I will do this by my own. All what you need, it is to check my work when it will be kind of almost fully done. It means 85 to 90% will be done, and need to check it on scientific things and etc. Because I prefer to do things by my own, and when somebody kind of helps me or tries to help me, I'm the super mega the person who likes to do by my own. If I have the question, I will ask them. I'm super mega initiative by my own, and if I need help, I will ask it. Because if I don't need help, no need. Okay. Jesus Christ. And again, I did not clean my memory of the storage on my phone, and something kind of interrupted. But okay, if I don't have and if I don't ask questions, then you kind of can help, but no need to say to me what should I do. I prefer to do my route of things if I already planned it and I already kind of started to do my own in my own way. Okay, and sometimes I'm really open to the communication, but actually I prefer to do this by my own. In this case of university deals, at least. And okay, and today I have the lecture with her, and actually need to ask, can I visit her lecture before the lecture will be started? Because you understand, it wouldn't be really polite if I will come in on the lecture without kind of announcing that I will be on the lecture. Yes, need to kind of communicate with her, can I do or not? But actually I kind of scared-ish. It is kind of scared. It is, we can use euphemistic words. I kind of it is kind of unpredictable situation, almost, yes, with predictability of 40-30%. I don't know what's the percentage, but you understand. And I need to communicate with her to visit her lecture today. And first I will go to university. I will come to her to the faculty room, and I will communicate to her. And if yes, then I will visit. If no, I will not visit. But actually, I hope that she will say that I can, and everything will be fine. Some person was watching at us. Okay, and thank you a lot for watching. We will visit, everything will be good, and in 1 minute my train will go and I will go too. So thank you. Improve Soul Daily, go forward, everything will be fine. I will accomplish it, and she will say yes, and I will be on the lecture. I will write my reports and master's degree work. Everything will be fine and good, and in your life too. Have a good day. Improve Soul Daily. Bye.